Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and enable sales orders in Zoho Books. This feature is essential for businesses that need to track customer orders before converting them into invoices, giving you better control over your sales workflow. First, head over to the Zoho Books website by typing zoho.com/books into your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard where all your financial data lives. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your Zoho Books account. Within the settings menu, you'll see a section called Setup and Configurations. Under this section, locate and click on General. This is where Zoho Books lets you enable or disable various features based on your business needs. Inside the general settings, you'll find a checkbox labeled Sales Order. Go ahead and check this box to enable the sales order feature for your account. Once you've checked it, click Save to apply the changes. This step is crucial because without enabling this feature first, you won't be able to create or manage sales orders. Now that the feature is enabled, let's create your first sales order. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Sales, then select Sales Orders from the drop-down menu. You'll be taken to a page where all your sales orders will be listed once you start creating them. Click the plus New button at the top right of the screen to start creating a new sales order. The first thing you'll need to do is select a customer name from the drop-down list. This should be a customer you've already added to your Zoho Books account. Next, fill in the sales order details. You'll see fields for sales order number, which is auto-generated by default but can be customized if needed. Reference number, which is optional but useful for internal tracking. Sales order date, expected shipment date, and delivery method. These details help you and your customer stay aligned on delivery expectations. Now comes the important part: adding items to the sales order. Select products or services from your catalog and enter the quantities and rates for each item. This builds out the complete order that your customer has placed. Finally, you have two options to complete the process. Click Save as Draft if you want to save the order and finalize it later, or click Save and Send to immediately email the sales order to your customer. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and created a sales order in Zoho Books, giving you a professional way to manage customer orders before invoicing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.